Hello, everyone. If you're looking for a free alternative to services like Midjourney or Leonardo AI, you've come to the right place. I've prepared the best AI-powered image generator that will completely redefine your perception of artificial intelligence capabilities. After weeks of testing all the features, comparing it to other tools, and generating hundreds of images, I can finally show you what this tool is capable of. And I guarantee it will meet all your needs. But first, just take a look at the images I've managed to create. And the best part, it's completely free. So let's get started. I want to introduce you to Pixelman. It's incredibly simple to use. Let's generate an image of an attractive woman. We enter the desired description, select the model, style, and image size. These are the basic free features that will satisfy most of your needs. Now we just hit generate. Amazing result. Now let's try generating a famous superhero. We enter the prompt and click Generate. Perfect. And these are just the free features. But if you opt for the minimum subscription plan for just $4, you'll unlock incredible features like InPaint, which allows you to change hair color, style, clothing, and much more.